Hey guys, today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. This is a 2023 15-inch M2, and you can see the RAM is 8 gigabyte and the storage is 256 gigabyte. Also, you can see this is cycle count 106 and battery capacity is 94%. You can see this is midnight color. You can see this keyboard slightly oil sheen and no scratch here, no scratch. The trackpad function, no problem. And this machine has a problem. Now let me show you the problem. Now you can see uh, the print mark. Okay, not print mark. It's before the previous owner used the protective case, so leave the different color. Looks like not beautiful, but they doesn't affect the performance. Just looks like not beautiful. You can see the port, okay, a little bit of tracer of yours, and the headphone jack. Okay, a later scratch here, and you can see the logo, no scratch, and no scratch the surface, and you can see M2 8 gigabyte, 256 gigabyte the storage. Okay, let me show you the display. Okay, let me change the wallpaper. Okay, you can see no problem here, no problem. The screen, no problem. And let me show you the a dark gray. Also, no problem. This machine, the price is about 4,000 day one. And let me change another color, the red color. No problem, the red color. And you can see, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, if you want to know more information about the MacBook, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. See you in the next video. And I'll show you one more time this specification. This is a 15-inch M2 2023, and the chip is M2, and 15-inch and 256 gigabyte, and the battery information. The battery capacity 94 and 106. Okay. See you in the next video.